Hey everyone, Mike here, the product manager at BuddyBoss. I'm really excited to share with you today what we've been working on, as well as a preview of what's coming to BuddyBoss soon. In the past quarter, we have released 110 bug fixes and improvements for the BuddyBoss platform and theme, as well as 284 for the BuddyBoss app. And this week, BuddyBoss app customers gained access to a whole new system for uploading their iOS builds to App Store Connect, directly from the WordPress admin without the need for a Mac computer. If you haven't already, make sure to check out our new Upload iOS Builds tutorial for a full walkthrough of this feature. For the BuddyBoss platform, we have a major release coming next week with some amazing new features. We've had a lot of requests for these, so we are really excited to finally release them. The first of these features is a series of updates to posts in the activity feeds. We've moved the Edit, Delete, and Report buttons up into a drop-down menu to keep the focus under the post on the actions that drive engagement. We have also improved the appearance of blog and custom post type updates in the activity feeds, as well as implemented settings to enable or disable comments for individual custom post types. For forum discussion posts in the activity feeds, we know it has been causing some confusion to have separate comments not linked directly to the discussion itself. As such, we've replaced the comments with a Join Discussion button to guide your members right into the discussion. To maintain backward compatibility, existing posts will maintain their comments to ensure none of your members' previous conversations are lost. In addition, we've added a quick reply button for members to respond to the discussion directly from the activity feed. We've heard your requests and ideas for improving forums as a whole, and our design team is currently working on improvements to the entire forum experience. Next up is a substantial improvement to the security and performance of media files. Previously, when media files were uploaded to your server, a PHP script was used to limit access to files based on permissions set by the member. When many files were accessed at once, this could take some time to run. In this update, we've implemented something called symbolic links or symlinks. Symlinks create a shortcut to your media files, meaning members will no longer have direct access to the URLs of the media files themselves. These can only be accessed according to the media file's privacy settings and are automatically updated when a member changes the permissions of the file. Symlinks also reduce the time it takes to render media files, meaning files will load faster than ever. If your server is not set up for symlinks, the plugin will fall back to the previous media functionality. We'll be providing a tutorial on how to ensure your server is set up correctly when this feature is released next week. We'll also be releasing our new video uploading feature. This feature was released as part of our beta program, and we want to extend a big thank you to all testers who provided feedback. This feature will allow your members to upload videos directly to activity posts, messages, profiles, groups, forum discussion, documents, and comments. To upload a video, members can click on the new video icon added to the media toolbar and select the video file they wish to upload. Thumbnails will be generated automatically as the video is uploading. Once the video is uploaded, your members can change its thumbnail by clicking on the icon in the top right and choosing Change Thumbnail. From here, members can select one of the pre-generated thumbnails, or they can upload their own. Videos can also be moved into albums along with photos, creating a full multimedia experience. Make sure to check out the video uploading tutorial we'll be releasing next week for a full walkthrough of this feature. And lastly, we'll also be releasing on-screen notifications next week. On-screen notifications will help drive engagement in your community by showing your members new notifications they receive while they're on a page. These notifications will slide in at the bottom of the screen, and clicking on them will send your members directly to the notification. As new notifications appear, older ones will collapse behind the bottom notification to limit overwhelming your members' screens. Notifications can be cleared individually or all at once by clicking the Clear button. In the WordPress admin, you can enable on-screen notifications by going to BuddyBoss, Settings, Notifications. You can select whether notifications are positioned on the bottom left or right of the screen, enable them to display on small screen sizes, and set them to automatically hide after a period of time. I particularly love this option to show new notifications in the browser tabs. This means when new notifications are received, the title of the tab your site is loaded in will change to show the latest notification, helping to drive members back to your site. I'd also like to share with you what we'll be releasing next quarter. The first of which is web push notifications. These are notifications sent from a site to a user via a web browser such as Chrome or Safari. Web push notifications will really help drive your members back to your site and keep them engaged in your community. This feature will work very similarly to app push notifications in the BuddyBoss app. BuddyBoss platform notifications will be sent automatically as push notifications, and you'll also have the ability to schedule and send manual notifications to all or specific members in your community. We were scheduling a Q2 release and are now preparing it to be our first major release of Q3. The second major feature is live messaging. This is our highest requested feature and I'm really excited to share with you a sneak preview. You'll notice we've made a number of improvements to the messaging experience. Messages are now organized by date to make it easier to search through the message history. As members type new messages, a typing indicator will display at the bottom and in the sidebar. Messages will be sent and received immediately on the page, creating real-time conversations. Any new conversations will load instantly in the sidebar, allowing you to jump right into that conversation. We've also redesigned the new messaging interface by making it easier to find members to send messages to. Members can be selected from the sidebar and filtered by the members' connections and groups. This implements a popular interface from the group messaging page, including the ability to select all members in a group. We'd love to hear your feedback as we develop and refine this feature, so please do share your thoughts and ideas on our public roadmap. The biggest challenge we faced while developing both web push notifications and live messaging was building a seamless, easy to set up and cost-effective experience. These features require a sophisticated server setup or integration with a third-party solution, and we'll be revealing more information about how these features will be delivered next month. Along with web push notifications and live messaging, we'll be releasing 2 new integrations next quarter. We'll be releasing the much anticipated integration with Tutor LMS, and for the BuddyBoss app, we'll be releasing supported app blocks for Presto Player, a popular video plugin for WordPress. We can't wait to release all the features discussed in this video, and on behalf of everyone at BuddyBoss, we want to thank you for your support. I hope you enjoyed this update and I look forward to sharing more with you all soon.